Next update, we've painted the windmill, just white paint at the moment. I've now hot glued it to this baseboard, and I found the battery box out of an old electric toy car which can take up to 3 batteries, and it's got an on-off switch. That bit of wire is just shorting out the 2 empty battery positions at the moment. Oh, I have to loosen off the shaft a little bit where I've been painting it. Yeah, it's jamming at the moment. Anyway, so I just thought I'd show that. That's a nice little battery box. I've routed the wires so they come out the top now, so that I can just sit that in there, and then I'll put a little roof over it and paint up the bottom a bit to give us some sort of rural effect. Some doors and some windows going up. Just folded up a random piece of cardboard to make the roof, I suppose we could call it. So I should paint that up, just to sit up there. That means we can just lift it off and get to the on-off switch. I love the noise this makes. If you've ever sat and listened to a windmill, there's always so much noise going on inside. So that's the train at the bottom and all the gearing and that. I'm just going to cut a little circle out of this pizza tray to use as the, what do we describe it? It's the joining piece at the top of the windmill, where normally the top of the windmill could turn round to match the wind direction. So it's only got to be about 1/4 of an inch wide, just to give the impression of where the join would be. The windmill's actually outside at the moment because I've been using a bit of spray paint on it, which smells, so I've done it outdoors. Right, that's what I want. Go and see if it fits. That's the general idea, just a ring around there. So in theory the top section would turn round to match the wind direction. So I'll glue that in place. I might actually change the colour of the top section a bit to match. Playing with the felt tip pens, giving it a bit of detail. I think I'm going to colour this a bit in this area. Might even spray paint it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.